Over NotebookLM, I created a notebook that I've been sharing with folks that have picked up the 50K case study. It's how Kevin Fahey, a seven-figure marketer, has made 50K in 7 days. So if you want to know how to make 50K in 7 days, now all you have to do is simply chat with this AI here inside of Google. The Google AI inside of Google Notebook LM, I created this notebook where I uploaded all of the training from Kevin's 50K case study. And you can see here inside the training, he has broken this case study down into 6 videos. Now, what I've done is I uploaded all 6 of these videos, as well as some other information, some screenshots of some very valuable information, like the types of emails that he sends out during his launch. And I've loaded this all in the AI, and I've been saving these chats that I've been having with this case study. Some of these are about like being an affiliate marketer. Some of these are about if you want to make 50K in 7 days and you're going to do a launch. This one right here was a question where I simply gave it information about my last launch on Warrior Plus, where I made $2,020.20. And I was like, how can I make more money? Or how can I take what Kevin has given me in his case study and come up with a plan? And you can see the launch analysis and the recommendation that the AI has given me based upon the case study to increase my revenue. It's given me a pricing strategy, a commission structure, and how to run a successful contest for affiliates. Sales page design and messaging, affiliate promotion and engagement, post-launch follow-up, and how to structure my back-end sales once I create a launch, and how to make more money, how to create more revenue from those pieces and parts that I can implement into my launch, Warrior Plus endorsements and how to advertise on Warrior Plus, and some additional considerations as well. And it breaks all that down. I'm saving these notes and I'm looking at this as not just a product creator, but I'm thinking, okay, how does this case study, right? If I'm just an affiliate, how does knowing how a 7-figure marketer that does launches and make 50K in 7 days, how can I apply it to this to me if I'm just an affiliate? Or as an affiliate, how can I use this to increase or up my affiliate game to work on or focus on becoming a super affiliate? I simply ask it, how does this case study allow me to make more money as an affiliate? And it breaks down on understanding the vendor strategy and then aligning yourself with the vendor to multiply the success or to multiply your own success based upon their success. Because as an affiliate, you're relying on the vendor and their strategies. And that's the strategy that Kevin has identified in this case study. And now we're able to tap into that. So I'm doing all of these different chats, and here was a really cool one. There's 3 emails or 3 welcome emails that Kevin sends after he promotes a product, or after he launches a product, he continues to promote that product to the people that have bought it to encourage them to go back and check out the product, and then think about, well, how and what do you take them, or what information do they need so you can allow them to get the most success out of the product they just purchased. And this is just following up and creating a sequence of events once you launch the product. But as an affiliate, or as an affiliate that's promoting Kevin's products or any product out there as an affiliate, I'm looking at this information inside of this case study, and I have direct access to it now here inside of Notebook LM. And the cool thing is I'm able to share this right here. And I've been sharing this with folks that have picked up this case study. So these 6 videos, you have access to the 6 videos and all the knowledge that Kevin brings to the game of launching products. And he shows you, pulls back the curtain, shows you behind the scenes of exactly what it's done. And I've loaded all this information, as well as some screenshots of the information. As soon as I saw it and I knew that was key information, I went ahead and did a screenshot. And you can see here, this screenshot in module 5 is talking about the conversion rates and the important information that you need to understand about how to promote your product in the ecosphere that is Warrior Plus to get more people to promote your product. And as an affiliate, this is important information because you want to know how to enhance your ability to promote a product and get the affiliate's attention and work on the relationship, or work on the relationship. You as an affiliate work on that relationship with that vendor. All that information is super important. So I took those screenshots, added them into this AI brain, and now I've enabled this AI brain, this notebook, to tap into Kevin's ideas, his concepts, and everything that he learned over a 7-day launch to make 50K in 7 days. All the questions that I can think of, any questions that maybe you want to ask, you can ask as well, because now you're going to have access to this, because I'm sharing this out with folks that are picking up this 50K case study from Kevin Feige. Link in the description, and you can see the 50K case study bonus that I'm providing is the step-by-step blueprint that Kevin is providing you, how he generated over $50,583.24 in 7 days. I'm providing you bonus. My first bonus is the ultimate training experience with this exclusive bonus where I've loaded the training up into the Notebook LM. And now you have Google's cutting edge AI able to access this information, where all you have to do is purchase the training. Let me know that you purchased it through my link, and you get access to this AI engine, to this brain, and you can chat with this directly, just like I've been showing you here, where I'm getting all this valuable information, and I know exactly what I need to do to create my own product, or to create my own product and think about, okay, I want to make as much money as possible. How do I do it following Kevin's blueprint? And the AI is going to give me that step by step, and I have that right here inside the notes as well. If I'm just an affiliate, I can click here and I can access all this information that Kevin is giving as a vendor, or the information that he stated that is important to him as a vendor, and also him as a affiliate as well as a vendor on a specific platform, how to create a follow-up series and do back-end promotions, and things like that you need to understand, sales page design and why they work, price points, commissions, and affiliate prize money, and cool tricks that work as a product vendor, but also dime sell trick for upsells, how this directly applies to you as an affiliate, and what you need to know, and what you need to be on the lookout for when you're promoting products as an affiliate. All that information, again, when you click the link in the description and pick up my bonus, you're going to tap into this ultimate training experience by having access to the case study, as well as I've preloaded it all up into NotebookLM, so you have direct access to it to start chatting with Kevin Feige and his training and his case study, as well as the questions that I've already asked right here inside of my notebook that I'm just clicking here and sharing with you. As soon as you click the link right here, this green button, click here to get the 50K case study and bonus number 1, as well as a second bonus that you'll see on that bonus page. And it's all about being able to make money as an affiliate, with the focus on understanding the way a launch works and the way that a 7-figure marketer does 50K or over 50K in 7 days. Link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.